Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Worth Township, Michigan, a charming rural community located in Tuscola County. This area is known for its wide-open farmland, peaceful neighborhoods, and small-town charm. Worth Township's history dates back to the 1800s, when settlers began farming the fertile land and establishing the township. Over the years, the township has grown while keeping its quiet agricultural roots, making it a welcoming place for families and visitors. Farming remains a central part of life here, and local events often celebrate the township's agricultural heritage. Whether you're here to enjoy the countryside, learn about the local history, or just experience rural Michigan, Worth Township offers a peaceful retreat. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Worth Township, Michigan. Thanks for watching!